Hello, today is Wednesday, September 23rd, and this is our Fundations phonics lesson for today. Today we are going to review the letters B, T, and F. Then we are going to use our magnet board to match the letters and the sounds. And then we also have a short game to play. Okay? So we're going to start by doing our letter keyword sound for today. Start with our warm-ups. So I'm going to say the letter, the keyword, and the sound, and then you should say it after me. T, top, T. B, bat, B. F, fun, F. We're also going to look at them in our standard sound cards, which are the cards that we look more like what we're going to see in the books that we read than the letters that we write, which is what the other cards are. T, top, T. F, fun, F. B, bat, B. Now we're going to play a little game, and you have to decide what the object is that I am giving you hints about. I'm going to start with an object that starts with the T sound. This object, or this thing you find on your body, it's a part of your feet. You can wiggle them. What do you think it might be? That's right, it's toes. Toes starts with the letter T. Let's see. This object starts with the B sound. It's the opposite of a girl is a, that's right, a boy. Boy starts with B. This object starts with a F sound. It's something you eat when you're hungry. That's right, that would be food. Food starts with F. We'll do another one that starts with the B sound. This is something you read. That's right, it would be a book. Book starts with B. This object is something that you play with. It could be blocks or dolls or Legos. What's something you play with that starts with a T? That's right, you play with toys. And this is something that starts with a F sound. Someone that you like a lot and play with is your friend. Friend starts with F. Now what I'd like you to do is get out your magnet board. And along with your magnet board, you will also need the magnet tiles for T, B, and F. I'd like you to start by moving the letter that makes the T sound to the top of your board. Which of these three letters makes the T sound? That's correct. T makes the T sound. I'm going to move that back up over here to my T. Now I'd like you to move the letter that makes the F sound. Did you move the F for the F sound? That's right. F makes the F sound. The last sound that I'd like you to move is the B sound. Only one left is the letter B. B makes the B sound. When you use your magnet tiles, it's really important to gently close your magnet board so that you don't lose any of your tiles. Let's go through our alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Nice job! Every week we will get new letters on our letter tile board based on the letters that we are learning for the week. Now you may work on your rainbow name. What I would like you to do is color the cloud and color the sun and cut them out. Then trace over the letters in your name. Then I would like you to color each of the letters, each of the strips that your letter of your name is on. I'd like you to color each of those a different color. Then you can put it together to make your name hanging from the cloud. Good luck and have fun!